Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer credit card rewards with Bank of America. To begin transferring your credit card rewards with Bank of America, log into your online banking account. Navigate to the rewards section of your account dashboard. Select the credit card for which you want to transfer rewards. Review your available rewards balance to ensure you have enough points for the transfer. Next, locate the option for transferring rewards. Click on this option to initiate the transfer process. You will be presented with choices for transfer partners. Choose the desired partner from the list provided. Review the details of the transfer, including any minimum. Enter the number of points you wish to transfer. Confirm your selection before proceeding. Once you have confirmed, submit your transfer request. You will receive a confirmation notification for your transfer. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transfer status. Allow a few days for the transfer to be processed by both Bank of America and the partner. After the transfer is completed, check your partner account to ensure the points have been credited. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Bank of America's customer service for assistance. Make sure to track your rewards usage to maximize your benefits in the future. This concludes the steps for transferring credit card rewards with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.